This letter is called Qaf. It looks similar to the previous letter Fa in writing, except it has 2 dots. Qaf is a heavy letter and should always be pronounced heavy. It sounds a little like a crow sound. Qa. The sound does not make a K sound. It comes from the back of the mouth. Qaf. This is what the Qaf looks like at the beginning, like this in the middle, and like this at the end of a word. Here are some examples. Qaf in the word Qamar, which means moon, or Qaf in the word Qalb, which means heart.